Hey everyone, I wanted to talk about what mineralization is today and how you can use it in your farming practices. Really simple idea of basically making a liquid compost tank, and you're breaking down your organic waste, organic matter, and releasing the nutrients and vitamins inside that were previously locked inside to where they're now soluble in your liquid, nutrient solution that becomes freely available for the plants to uptake and use. Basically what you need is some kind of reservoir. I use a 35-gallon barrel over here, and I run aeration into it. I basically got an air stone and an aquarium pump going to it, and that allows for me to use aerobic heterotrophic bacteria. They basically are eating the plant matter and the gas that's already in there from being aerated, and they're able to break everything down doing that. Some people like to do it anaerobically, where they don't use aeration in it. There's no air available, and what that does is it attracts the heterotrophic bacteria, which then expel gas. Usually it smells really bad. What a lot of people do, they'll cap off the top of their reservoir, and that'll kind of help keep the smell from accruing on their site. But what you'll have to do every once in a while is probably burp it and bleed it, just to relieve that pressure somewhat. But basically, check this out. It's just a barrel, and I throw, my dead fish. I throw my plant waste that's in here, it's leftover roots, leaves, whatever, the bad fruits that didn't make it. And what you'll do is, when you're ready, I like to dose mine off. I've got a drain plumbed up, and I dose it off into a barrel, and a bucket, and then I'll add that into my nutrient solution for my hydroponic reservoirs over here. Basically, I've got a bunch of okra and gagutsa growing really well, it's a really good way of reclaiming different things from your farm, or just making more nutrients that you can use, and not just in hydroponics, you can use it in soil practice as well. I would recommend only pouring it on where your root zone is. I wouldn't put it on your leaves or your fruit or anything like that. But I'm getting really healthy results with this. If anyone else wants to try that and set a system up like that where they've got some kind of mineralization tank going, I'm available. Hit me up. I'll show you how to do it. It's really simple, really easy. I also sell my own nutrient solution from when I'm mineralizing things. If you want any of that, you can hit me up at Soylent Greens in New Orleans, Soylent Greens NOLA. Find me on Facebook.